Welcome back to Brave Hub. Today, we're kicking off a brand new series where we dive into the lives of the brilliant minds behind the tools and languages we use every day. In our first episode, we're exploring the fascinating story of Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python. Guido van Rossum was born on January 31, 1956, in The Hague, Netherlands. From an early age, Guido had a keen interest in computers and mathematics, which led him to pursue a degree in mathematics and computer science at the University of Amsterdam. After earning his master's degree in 1982, Guido joined the Centrum Wiskunde en Informatica, CWI, in Amsterdam, where he began his career in research. This was where his journey toward creating Python began. At CWI, Guido worked on a project called ABC, a programming language designed to be easy to use and learn. While ABC had its strengths, it also had limitations, which inspired Guido to create a new language that combined simplicity with power. In December 1989, during the holiday season, Guido began working on Python as a side project. He named it after the British comedy group Monty Python, reflecting his sense of humor and the language's focus on being fun and easy to use. Python was designed to prioritize readability and simplicity, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced programmers. Python's first release was in February 1991, and it quickly gained popularity due to its clear syntax and versatility. Over the years, Python has evolved significantly, with major milestones including Python 2.0 in 2000 and Python 3.0 in 2008. Today, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world, used by companies like Google, Instagram, and Dropbox, thanks to its adaptability and the vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Guido's career took him to companies like Google and Dropbox, where he continued to influence the tech world. For many years, he held the title of Python's Benevolent Dictator for Life, BDFL, guiding the language's development with his vision and leadership. In 2018, Guido announced his retirement as BDFL, but his legacy lives on in the language and the community he built. Python remains a tool that millions of developers rely on, thanks to the foundation he laid. Guido van Rossum's creation has left an indelible mark on the world of technology. Python's influence spans web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and beyond. It's a testament to Guido's vision for a language that's both powerful and accessible. That's a wrap on our first biography in this series. Guido van Rossum's story is a reminder of how one person's vision can transform an entire industry. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Brave Hub for more inspiring stories from the tech world. And let us know in the comments who you'd like to see featured next.